The Republican running to try and replace Dane County Sheriff Kalvin Barrett is suing the sheriff's office in federal court with some big allegations. Anthony Hamilton claims last year he was made to participate in an illegal search and then was retaliated against when he tried to alert leadership. Naomi Coles talked to Hamilton and has more. Naomi?
This all started last March when the SWAT team was called to help in a weapons violation call at a local hotel. The lawsuit suggests that during the call, Hamilton, who was on the SWAT team, realized they were doing the kind of search that needed a warrant, which they didn't have. When he later alerted other supervisors, he says he was removed from the SWAT team and later had an unpaid suspension. Leadership said they would bring in an outside agency to investigate the claims he was making, but the lawsuit claims they didn't do that. I talked to Hamilton to try and understand what was illegal about the search. Essentially, he claims the head deputy at the scene told the SWAT team they had permission from the hotel to search the room and that it would be empty. But there were people renting the room off book whose right to privacy and a warrant was not respected. The head deputy, Hamilton claims, knew all of this before.
In Schroeder's report, he said that you were responsible for getting the warrant. Where did that come from?
During the course of our discussion, we were told we have consent from the hotel, no one is supposed to be there. And myself and other detectives told Schroeder and the deputies that were on scene, you don't need a search warrant if you can get consent from the hotel. In his report, which took him some time to write, he wrote that he had told me to write a search warrant. And when I brought that up to my supervisors, they asked me to look the other way.
I reached out hours ago to the sheriff's office and Barrett's campaign for comment. The sheriff's office responded just moments ago with an attorney to contact. That attorney hasn't gotten back to me yet. I do have more details on the lawsuit online at channel3000.com.